Hi everyone, welcome back to the Godox KNOWLED app tutorial series. In this episode, we are going to introduce you to the best companion for the Godox KNOWLED app, the TimoLink TRX. The TimoLink TRX is a versatile and powerful tool that enhances the function of Godox KNOWLED app, making your lighting setup more efficient and flexible. Let's dive into its features. The TimoLink TRX is a wireless DMX transceiver that can send and receive CRMX signals. Equipped with a Bluetooth module, it allows seamless connection with your iPad and the Godox KNOWLED app, offering unparalleled flexibility and control over your lighting setup. First is the wireless control. With TimoLink TRX, you can control your lights wirelessly via Bluetooth CRMX, help maintain a clutter-free workspace. You can place your lights wherever you need them without worrying about cable lengths and tangles. Secondly, transmit and receive all in one. The device can function both as transmitter and receiver, providing flexibility in how you configure your lighting system. You can use it to send signals from your iPad to your lights, or receive signals from other CRMX transmitters. Next, it is compact and portable. The small size of the TimoLink TRX makes it highly portable and easy to integrate into your setup without taking too much space. It is perfect for both studio and on-location shoots. Then, the compatibility. TimoLink TRX works with a wide range of lights, making it ideal for setups that include different brands and types of lighting equipment. Flexible power options. Although it doesn't have a built-in battery, the TimoLink TRX can be powered by power banks or any USB power source, making it adaptable to various shooting environments. Next is reliable connectivity. Using advanced technology, TimoLink TRX ensures a stable and seamless connection, which is crucial for professional lighting setups. To maximize the range and reliability of your wireless connection, position the TimoLink TRX in a location with minimum obstructions between the control panel and the lights. Control 512 channels. For large-scale productions, consider using multiple TimoLink TRX units to ensure robust and comprehensive coverage. This approach helps in managing extensive lighting setups efficiently. So, the TimoLink TRX is an indispensable companion for the Godox KNOWLED app, providing unmatched flexibility and control for your lighting setups. Whether you're working in a studio or on location, TimoLink TRX helps streamline your workflow and enhance your creative capabilities.